Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Sir Collins once again. Welcome to my channel, Perfect Score GH. With Perfect Score GH, we have the best. Okay, now last week we looked at how to skip count by twos forward, and I'm sure you understood it. If you don't understand, kindly go and watch the first lesson. Okay, so we look at, let's go through it quickly, and we take the next lesson. Now, so we say when you're skipping counting by twos forward, you add 2 to the number given, or increase the number given by what? 2. So here you increase it by 2. What do you have? 4. Okay, 4, 6. Increase 6 by 2. What do you have? 8. So just add 2 to the number given, and on and on and on. Now, before we begin today's lesson, now I have a surprise for you. Now we are changing things here, so we don't just start teaching. Okay, I don't just start teaching today. I'm going to speed test you and see how fast you are. So let's take the speed test quickly. 3 questions. First, question 1. Now the dividend of 10 and 5 is, get me the answer. 2. How many sides has a square? Number 3. The product of 2 and 10 is. Now you see the questions on your screen. You have only 1 minute to get the answer. If you know the answer, leave your answer in the link below. Okay, sorry, in the comment section. If you're on the website, leave your answer in the comment section. If you know the answer, you can also WhatsApp me with the answer. Okay, I'll leave my number on the screen so you see it on the screen. Okay, so let's start today's lesson. Now today's lesson, remember last week we looked at what? Or in our previous lesson we looked at how to skip count forward by what? Twos. Today we are taking the opposite way around, skip counting backwards by 2. So this is our lesson focus here. So skip counting backwards by what? 2. So that's the table you use, right? So the red, the figures in red indicate skip counting for backwards by what? 2s. So from here, from 100 go to 98, 96, 94, 92, 90, 88, 86, 84, 82, 80, 78, up to what? 2. So just reduce the figure by 2. Reduce the figure by what? 2. Are we clear? So let's take a clue to that. It said to skip count backwards by 2s, decrease the figure by 2, or deduct 2 from the value given repeatedly. Okay, so if let's take the example here, then you understand it better. With the example here, we have what? This is 20. 20, okay? Now 20, you decrease it by 2. That is deduct 2 from 20, so minus 2. Okay? Are you getting it? So you get 20 pieces of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So just take 2 away from the 20 we have. Okay, now let's count what is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So our next number is what? 18. Are we getting it? Okay, so here too, let's move to the next one. Now you can also use the table I gave you. There's a table here. Use it. Okay, use it as a guide. You can use it as a guide. Okay, so you can use the table. So 20. Let's look for 20. Let's take through. This is 20. When you go back, what do you have? 18. So 18 will be here. The next one will be what? 16. Okay, so 16 will be here. The next one will be what? 14. So 14 is already here. And the next one will be what? 12. So 12 will be here. Are you getting it? Okay. Now next one, 30. So let's look for 30. So this is 30. That's 30. So the next skip counted by 2 backwards will be 20. So you have 28. The next one is 26, which is here. Okay. Now you have from 26. What do we have? 24, which is here. From 24, what do you have? 22, which is here. Okay, then from 22, what do we have? 20 there. Are you getting it? Okay, simple as that. Now let's take 16. So where's 16? This is 16. So next one 14, which is already here. Next one we what? 12. Put 12 here. Next one we what? 10. So we put 10 here. Okay, we have 8, which is already there. So our next number we want 6. We put 6 here. Are you getting it? Okay, now 10. This is 10. Next number we want 8. So we put 8 here. We have 6, which is already here. Okay. Next number we want 4. Then 2, which is already there. Now we have 26. This is 26. 26. What is the next number when you skip count backwards by 2? We have 24. We have 24 here. Here will be what? From 24 you have 22. Okay. 22 here. And next number will be 20, which is already there. Okay. So our last number will be what? 18. Okay. Here. 18 here. So 18. Like that. Are we clear? Good. Very good. Now, what about if the value is changed? Instead of using the multiples of 2 all the time, but now the value has changed from the multiples of 2 to different value. It is the same thing. You stick to the clue. The clue is to what? Decrease the figure by 2 or deduct 2 from the value given repeatedly. It doesn't change. It is the same thing. It is the same thing. It is the same thing. So 13. Let's decrease 13 by what? 2. So let's count 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Decrease it by 2. Decrease 13 by 2. So let's cancel 2 out of it. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here, our answer here will be what? 11. Are we clear? Now let's decrease 11 by 2. Decrease 11 by 2. So this is 11. So let's decrease it by 2. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is already there. So let's decrease 9 by 2. So let's decrease it by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here will be what? 7. Okay? 7. Now let's decrease 7 by 2. This is 7. So decrease it by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is there. Are you getting it? So when there's change of value, it is still the same clue or method you use. There's no change in method. We still hold on to the same method. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. The next one, which is number 2, this one. Okay, so 17. When we have 17, decrease it by 2. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So let's decrease 17 by 2. Decrease it by 2. Let's see what is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you write 15 here. 15. And decrease 15 by 2, you are going to get 13. Let's check whether what I'm saying is true. So we have 15 here. Let's decrease it by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's the 13 you have there, right? Now decrease 13 by 2. So let's decrease 13 by 2. 13 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here will be what? 11. And decrease 11 by 2, you are going to get 9. Let's try it and see. Let's decrease it by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the 9 here you have, right? Now let's decrease 9 by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we got 7. And on and on and on. So try your hands on this one, and try your hands on this one, and try your hands on this one. Now I will leave a question. Now if you are watching me from YouTube, please, there will be a link for the questions. I'll post this video on my site as well as lesson 2. Okay, it will be the lesson 2 and the questions will be below it. Solve the question, forward your answers to me on my WhatsApp. I'll cross check the answers. If the answers are correct, I'll send back your feedback to congratulate you. Okay, so that is how we end today's lesson. So today's lesson has been skip counting backwards by what? 2's. Okay, when there's a change in value, it doesn't mean anything, it is the same thing. Okay, so God willing, I'll see you guys in our third lesson. Now in the third lesson, to be massive, the third lesson we'll be looking at skip counting by 5 forward. So don't go anywhere. We're looking at skip counting by 5 forward. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so. I'm Sir Collins and out of here. See you guys in our next lesson. God bless you all. Subscribe and join our WhatsApp group. Okay, let your parent or yourself, if you have a phone, you can join it. If you don't have, tell your parent you want to join. If you're a parent, you can join for your kids so that they will get notified of any new information. And if you want to help the brand, the Perfect Score GH brand, you can also donate to us. Okay, there is a donation button on our website. If you click there, you have 2 options to choose. You can use either crypto or you can donate to our momos, which is Vodafone and Vodafone and MTN. Okay, but still you can donate to us with on the MTN with the number you see on your screen, or with the Vodafone number you see on your screen. If you're in Ghana, if you're in abroad, US, any country, you can donate. If you don't have the donate, you can't donate via Momo, you can donate via crypto. Okay, so God bless you all and see you in our next lesson. Bye.
you.